The next part of your assignment is going to be building some numbers with base 10 blocks. So you'll have a slide like this that shows you the value of each base 10 block. So your flats are worth 100, your rods are worth 10, and your cubes are worth 1. So you are going to get a slide similar to this. This shows you the blocks that you're able to drag. And then up here, it says, show one way to model 212 that is different than the picture below. So they have modeled 212 by using 2 flats, each worth 100, 1 rod worth 10, and 2 cubes that are each worth 1. So if I wanted to show another way, I'm going to continue to use 1 flat to model 100. And then I'm going to break one of those flats into 10 rods because I know that 10 rods make up 1 flat. So I'm going to drag over 10 to represent my second 100. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So right now my model shows 100 and 200. And then I'm going to continue to use the same thing that the picture above used for my 12. So 1 tens rod and then 2 cubes for my 2. So now I have 200, 10, 11, 12. So that's another way to show 212 using base 10 blocks. And then the next day, you're going to be doing this a little bit different of an activity, but with decimal numbers.
Tony, can you call the office, please?
So we have to relook at our base 10 because now they have a different value because we're working with decimal numbers. Your flats are now worth 1. Your rods are worth 1/10, and your cubes are worth 100th. So what you're going to do is it asks you, what is the value of the base 10 blocks below? So I know that each one of these rods is worth 1/10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know that all of these together is 1 whole. And then I'm going to count over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my answer is 2. So I have 2 wholes because of my base 10 blocks. And then how did I figure it out? You would type in your answer. I grouped 10 rods together to make 1 whole because I know that they're each worth 1/10. And that gave me the whole number of 2. So that's what you're going to be doing when you're building and regrouping with base 10 blocks for whole and decimal numbers.